Did you know that AI helps create a lot of the content you see online? It's true, AI is changing how we write and create. This technology is powerful. It can help us make better content faster. One exciting AI tool is ChatGPT. It can write different kinds of content. You can even use it to copy and paste text for your own projects. Now, I know what you're thinking. Copy pasting, isn't that cheating? But it's not that simple. Let me explain. Creating good content is hard work. It takes time, effort, and creativity. Sometimes it's really tough to get started or come up with fresh ideas. We've all been there, right? Staring at a blank page, wishing the words would just appear. That's where ChatGPT comes in. Imagine you're stuck on a writing project, staring at a blank screen, unsure of how to start. It can be incredibly frustrating, right? But with ChatGPT, you don't have to face that blank screen alone. This AI-powered tool is designed to help you overcome writer's block and get your creative juices flowing. It's like having a writing partner available 24/7. Whether you're working late at night or early in the morning, ChatGPT is always there to assist you. You can brainstorm ideas, draft emails, or even write entire articles with its help. The best part? It never gets tired or needs a break. You can give it prompts and it will generate text, ideas, even entire outlines. For instance, if you're writing a story, you can ask ChatGPT to help you develop characters, plot points, or dialogue. If you're working on a research paper, it can assist in organizing your thoughts and structuring your arguments. The possibilities are endless. You can then take that output and adapt it, refine it, and make it your own. ChatGPT provides a solid foundation, but the final touch is always yours. You can tweak the language, add your personal voice, and ensure that the content aligns with your vision. It's a collaborative process that makes writing more efficient and enjoyable. It's like having a head start on your writing. Instead of spending hours trying to come up with the perfect opening sentence or the right way to phrase an idea, you can jump straight into the creative process. ChatGPT helps you bypass the initial hurdles, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, bringing your ideas to life. And it's not just for professional writers. Students, marketers, business professionals, and anyone who needs to write can benefit from ChatGPT. It can help you draft reports, create marketing copy, or even write personal messages. The versatility of this tool makes it a valuable asset for anyone looking to improve their writing efficiency and creativity. Another great feature of ChatGPT is its ability to adapt to different writing styles. Whether you need a formal tone for a business proposal or a casual voice for a blog post, ChatGPT can generate content that matches your desired style. This flexibility ensures that your writing is always appropriate for the context and audience. In summary, ChatGPT makes writing easier, faster, and more enjoyable. It provides you with the tools and support you need to overcome writer's block, generate ideas, and refine your content. With ChatGPT by your side, you can tackle any writing project with confidence and creativity. Section 5. My ChatGPT breakthrough. I'll admit I was skeptical at first. The idea of an AI that could understand and generate human-like text seemed too good to be true. I had read about various AI technologies before, but none had really impressed me. They all seemed to fall short in one way or another. So, when I first heard about ChatGPT, I didn't have high expectations. I thought it would be just another overhyped piece of technology that wouldn't live up to its promises. But then I tried it. I decided to give it a shot, just to see what all the fuss was about. I sat down at my laptop, opened the ChatGPT interface, and started typing. To my surprise, the responses I got were not only coherent, but also incredibly insightful. It felt like I was having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who could provide information on a wide range of topics. The more I interacted with it, the more impressed I became. I was amazed by how quickly ChatGPT could generate creative content. Whether I needed help brainstorming ideas for a project, writing an article, or even composing a poem, ChatGPT was up to the task. It was like having a creative partner who was always available and never ran out of ideas. The speed and quality of the content it produced were truly remarkable. I found myself relying on it more and more for various tasks. It was like a light bulb went off. Suddenly I realized the endless possibilities that this technology could offer. It wasn't just about generating text. It was about enhancing communication, fostering creativity, and making information more accessible. The potential applications were vast, from education and content creation to customer service and beyond. I started to see ChatGPT as a tool that could revolutionize the way we interact with information and each other. I realized the potential of this technology to help people communicate more effectively. Imagine a world where language barriers are broken down, where everyone has access to a virtual assistant that can help them with their daily tasks, and where creativity is no longer limited by human constraints. ChatGPT has the potential to make all of this a reality. It's not just a tool for generating text, it's a tool for enhancing human potential. And that, to me, is the true breakthrough. Section 6. Ethical concerns and considerations. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, ethical considerations have become more crucial than ever. As we integrate advanced tools like ChatGPT into our daily lives, we must remain vigilant about the ethical implications of their use. This section will delve into the various ethical concerns and considerations that come with using such technology. Now, it's important to use this technology responsibly. Responsible use means understanding the potential impact of our actions and making informed decisions. For instance, when using ChatGPT, we should be aware of the data privacy issues that may arise. Are we sharing sensitive information? Are we ensuring that our data is protected? These are questions we need to ask ourselves. We need to be mindful of plagiarism and ensure we're not just blindly copying and pasting. Plagiarism not only undermines the integrity of our work, but also disrespects the original creators. When using ChatGPT, it's essential to cross-check the information and give proper credit where it's due. This practice not only upholds ethical standards, but also enhances the credibility of our work. The goal is to use ChatGPT as a tool to enhance our creativity, not replace it. Creativity is a uniquely human trait, and while ChatGPT can assist in generating ideas, the final output should be a product of our own ingenuity. By using ChatGPT as a collaborative partner rather than a crutch, we can push the boundaries of our creativity and produce truly original work. Additionally, we should be aware of the biases that may be present in the AI's responses. It's our responsibility to critically evaluate the suggestions provided and ensure they align with ethical standards. In conclusion, ethical considerations are paramount when integrating advanced technologies like ChatGPT into our workflows. By being mindful of data privacy, plagiarism, and the role of creativity, we can use these tools to their fullest potential while maintaining our ethical integrity. Section 7, the future of content creation. AI is changing how we create content. It's not about replacing human creativity, but about amplifying it. By embracing these tools, we can unlock new levels of creativity and efficiency. Section 8, ChatGPT, your secret weapon. So, if you're struggling with content creation, give ChatGPT a try. It might just be the secret weapon you've been looking for. Experiment, play around, and see what you can create. Section 9, join the AI revolution. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Join the revolution and see what amazing things you can achieve with the power of AI at your fingertips.